Good morning to you. The weather's a little bit like a good old soap opera, a little bit of everything in this story for tonight. If you like it cold, a touch of frost, well, you shouldn't be too disappointed with the early morning. A chilly old start, particularly for the northern half of the country. Touch of frost, perhaps in sheltered glens of Scotland as well. But that's not going to be the case everywhere. Into central and southern parts of England and Wales, there'll be a fair amount of cloud here, so the temperatures held up quite nicely. We'll see double figures. But to the north, you can see where the clearing skies are. A little touch of blue here, denoting a bit of frost. So 10 or 11 degrees here. But to greet us first thing in towns and cities, we're looking generally at around 4 to 6 degrees. But at least we will have some decent spells of sunshine across the Peaks and Pennines, running down into the Midlands and along that North Norfolk coast. More cloud generally down to the south, and the potential for some rain along the Essex and Kent coast. Shouldn't drift into London, but there's a bit of a question mark as to how far north that's going to push. And generally along the south coast will be fairly overcast, fairly damp and drizzly start to the morning. Similar story as well for much of South Wales. North Wales, though, some sunshine here, but yes, a slightly fresher feel to things. Chilly start into Northern Ireland, but brighter skies and staying largely dry throughout the morning and into the afternoon as well. And a few isolated showers perhaps across the far north and west of Scotland. And despite that sheltered frost in the glens there will be some sunshine into Aberdeenshire. But here temperatures at around 3 degrees first thing in the morning. So some lengthy spells of sunshine across much of Scotland and northern England and Northern Ireland. That cloud and rain in the southeast corner will drift back towards the Kent coast, and into the southwest we'll see more heavy and persistent rain arriving later on in the day. In terms of temperatures, recovering to about 10 to 14 degrees to the north, 17 generally into the south, that's 63 Fahrenheit. But it's this rain into the southwest that could be quite interesting. Something that we've not seen for quite some time is rain across England and Wales in particular. We could see some heavy pulses arriving overnight on Tuesday. Now, there's one frontal system moving up from the south, dragging in this warm, moist air, being joined by another one pushing in off the Atlantic. So basically, there's the potential on Tuesday for some rather wet weather arriving across the country. Difficult to try and put the exact detail on it, but particularly across England and Wales and southern England, we could see some heavy but warm air and some heavy rain here. The heavy rain continues across England and Wales for Wednesday, drier and brighter to the north. Take care.